In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Hostinger. This platform is a great choice for anyone looking to securely host their website, whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just getting started with your personal portfolio site. Let's dive into the process together, ensuring the setup is smooth and easy. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to hostinger.com. It's always a good practice to ensure your browser is up to date to avoid any security issues or glitches. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll notice several different options and services that Hostinger offers. But right now, our focus is on creating an account. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign Up button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to enter some of your basic information to get started. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either enter your email and choose a password that you'll use to log in, or if you prefer, you can opt for social login using platforms like Google or Facebook, which can streamline the process and save you some time if you're someone who likes having fewer passwords to remember. Make sure that whatever method you choose, your information is secure. If you're creating a password, try to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep it strong and difficult to guess. Once you've filled in your details, you'll click the button to proceed. At this point, you'll need to confirm your email address. Hostinger will send a verification link to the email address you provided, so head over to your email inbox and look for a message from Hostinger. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folders. It might have landed there. The email should arrive within a few minutes, and when it does, simply click on the verification link provided. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. After verifying your email, return to Hostinger's website. It's time to log in. Enter your credentials, either your email and password, or by using the social login option you selected, and you'll be directed to your brand new account dashboard on Hostinger. From here, you can explore various hosting plans, manage your profile, and even start setting up your website immediately. Congratulations! You're now all set with your Hostinger account, prepared to venture further into the world of internet hosting. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of your Hostinger account and effectively manage your website. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!